Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael Bondi with Urban Realty here in Summerlin. Several people have wanted me to start including some narration on my videos, so here we go. First up is a sneak peek of Ascension Summerlin. This is a joint venture between Toll Brothers and Pulte Homes. Models should be completed by 2023, so we still have a while to go on this project. This project will add to the multi-million-dollar home pricing point in which this parcel of land sits. Located in between the Summit Summerlin and Mesa Ridge Summerlin at the intersection of Town Center and Tropicana. Toll Brothers and Pulte Homes spent $135 million purchasing this land from the Howard Hughes Corporation last year, according to tax records. This site is almost 200 acres and will feature home designs similar to what we have seen in Toll Brothers Mesa Ridge and some of the higher-end Pulte home products found at Reverend Summerlin. The luxury home market has seen prices in the $1 million to $3 million pricing point double in value since 2020 and the COVID pandemic. The need for higher-end, semi-custom luxury homes in Summerlin has been in demand for a while now. Count on pricing to start over $1 million for these homes. Lot premiums will be high as well, since from the aerial footage that we are looking at, it seems that these lots are going to be pretty big for the Summerlin area. When I get more information about this brand new project, I will update everyone on the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and drop me a like on this video. Your support of my channel means a lot to me. If you have any Summerlin area real estate questions, or if you have a suggestion as to where I should fly next, please drop a comment below. More videos are coming soon.